Hey folks, Little Mountain Farmer here. So we're up on the mountain. We're working on the sawmill today. Got to get the last big beams milled out for the cabin up here. So what we're doing is automating the sawmill. So I've been hand operating it for three or 4 years now. I bought these Harbor Freight winches with these remote controls here, and we're going to modify the winch here to take this. This is 1.25 inches and this is 1.25 inches compression. What do they call that? Whatever. It's a compression sleeve, so you don't need a keyway on there. Probably just weld in place. That's if that's steel. But the gear will drive the chain on the top, and then we got another one to do the forward motion and reverse action. So let's get at it, huh? Okay, so I cut the flange off of the bottom of this and ground it down so that the sprocket will fit on there, and it all worked out just fine. So yeah, if you want to do this is 1.25 inch sleeve coupler, whatever it is, compression sleeve gear, will fit on these Harbor Freight winches. And all right folks, so I think we did it. I got this thing just tack welded on here. I found this bracket that was super handy. So yeah, one of the reasons I went with this winch setup, besides the fact that I could mount this sprocket on there, is you can disconnect the so that's locked in, and this has internal braking, so you can't rotate it when it's off. But if you want to use the hand winch, you can freewheel the winch. So if I got a regular gear motor, you wouldn't be able to disengage it like that. So that's super convenient. Plus they're only $80. It comes with a wireless remote setup and everything. So this is the winch. This winch will go down on the side. It's going to pull the cable. I just welded that eye on there, so it gives the cable something to attach to there. All right, so I got to grab a battery, and we're gonna give this thing a whirl. All right, so I just got a jumper cable running to the winch right now. So this comes with this handheld wireless remote. So here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty slow, but sure beats hand cranking. That's just gonna work just fine. Yeah, it's kind of yeah, I might have to fine tune it with the hand crank, but I couldn't be happier with that. Okay, so yeah, we're just using the Badlands XR 2500. Like I said, comes with a wireless remote, and the to disengaging here. So this one, the cable's just going to wrap around it and go through the unit. So we're going to take it apart and get rid of this auto coiler thing and take the cable off. All right, so we got this winch just welded on. Just tacked it on there. I had to put a little spacer plate. Oh yeah, there's the wireless remote, and you can plug in the wired remote. I'll have to get some zip ties for that. But yeah, so that just attaches to the cable. Mounted this up here earlier. Just real simple stuff. All right, folks. So got the sawmill fully wireless, automated. Now I can just sit here on the excavator and push buttons and do whatever. All right, folks. Till next time.